Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Subaru Impreza headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You'll need a new H11 bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly. Carefully remove any clips or screws holding the assembly in place. This provides access to the bulb for replacement. Remember to handle the new bulb by its base to avoid contamination. Once you have access, gently twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Pull the bulb straight out, being careful not to touch the glass part. Now, take your new H11 bulb. Align the tabs on the bulb with the slots in the housing. Push it in firmly and twist clockwise until it locks securely into place. This ensures a proper connection and prevents movement. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: while you're keeping your car's lights bright, why not keep your home spotless too? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying for a truly hands-free clean. It's even pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After the new bulb is secure, reattach the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks into place for a solid connection. Now, carefully put the headlight assembly back into its original position. Fasten all the clips and screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is snug. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight. Confirm both low and high beams are working properly before hitting the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.